Okay, so the next video I'm going to show you the algorithm for putting this piece into place. As you can see, it's meant to be blue, but the blue's here, and even if I turn it around, put the purple in the right place, we've still got yellow and white out of place. So the algorithm for that is up, top, down, top, up, top, top, down. Right up, top, right down, top, right up, top, top, down. Right up, top, right down, top, right up, top, top, down. Right up, top, down, top, up, top, top, down. And like I said, some of these can take a while and some of them don't. Just all depends on how bad they are mucked up. And as you can see, just with that one algorithm, they're now back into place. So that's right and top, down, top, right, top, top, down. Anyway, if you follow what I did with the cube, you should be able to get that.